The essential functions of Google Sheets. At one point in time, downloading a spreadsheet and making calculations yourself was the most efficient way to compile data from your online research. With the advancement of technology, there are now a wide range of free programs which make it easier to collect information and perform calculations. Just be sure to use an alternative browser such as Chrome when accessing some sites. Sites like Document Cloud and SciHub present worksheets from the world's top scientific journals that allow you to easily find and download them. You can easily copy and paste the cells of tables if substituting in your own data or if you want to do a quick review on the data collected. It also provides alternative ways to visualize data, including bar graphs, which is easier to consume because it allows viewers. Why use Google Sheets? Google Sheets allow users to create, edit, and share spreadsheets easily. One of the best features with Google Sheets is that it's compatible with Microsoft Office, which allows for important collaboration among different business partners. It is also used for online purchases through companies such as Amazon. They are widely used in businesses across America. How can you use Google Sheets for data analysis? The experts at Amazon assign their best researchers to look through all their data to find trends and patterns in what is going on at Amazon. Because of its clean look that makes it easy for people to understand, Google Sheets are a great tool for analysts to analyze what is going on with competing businesses. This helps the company stay up to date and continues making more effective decisions which reduce risks. How to create a new spreadsheet? The most basic function of Google Sheets is to create new worksheets. To do this, you click New and then choose the type of spreadsheet you want to make. This can be a basic or advanced spreadsheet. For example, the type of spreadsheets that might be created include costing spreadsheet, monthly budget totals logs, set cost breakdowns per job and employee, or a monthly expenses log for quick tracking. These new worksheets can either be edited from the Table Tools tab on a spreadsheet or they can be shared with other users to edit. What exactly do you need in order to create a spreadsheet? Each person will have their own preference and needs, but here are some of the essential ingredients that you'll need to start creating spreadsheets. 1. The name of your spreadsheet. A good idea is choose something recognizable at first glance and avoid using something obscure like Social Security number. For Excel spread types of Google Sheets. The Google Sheets is an online spreadsheet tool that allows users to create and save their work. These can be spreadsheets, graphs, charts, word searches, duet files, or checklists. It also has a URL shortener for registered users. It comes with an editor that can be used for simple tasks and advanced users. The Google Sheets has numerous unique features. It not only lets you construct individual spreadsheets but also create dynamic groups of sheets. Supports offline access. The offline access feature allows the users to synchronize the most important information on their PC or specially designed devices after they exit offline connectivity. This helps them to work on a project even when they have a slow internet connection. Once connected, the understanding Google Sheet functions. Google Sheets is a spreadsheet program similar to Microsoft Excel. One reason Google Sheets was created was because it runs on the Google Cloud Platform, which is a system similar to Microsoft's OneDrive. This means that it has access to massive amounts of processor power and free space with some limitations set by the Drive service. Google Apps for Business gives you access to the tools that allow your spreadsheet work seamlessly with the rest of Chrome applications like Outlook, Docs, and Calendar while granting additional access rights. The final piece of the puzzle is the Google Search API. The API takes in a mix of textual and numerical information and returns an answer to your query according to a set of parameters. In some way or another, the API calls are being run in Google Sheets. In this module's workbook, this how-to assumes that you're familiar with what a lookup or lookup box is. You should know how to build the function dynamically by leveraging the web form method and then hide. Exporting and converting data on the go. One of the essential functions needed in Google Sheets is exporting. It makes it easy to transfer your spreadsheet to other programs. Export all or certain parts of your spreadsheet as an Excel file, text file, CSV file, HTML file, PDF file, or XML file. Conclusion: Google Sheets has many functions. I found 10 that I think seem essential to understanding Google Sheets functionality.